love the feel of small airports in the morning. It's a little bit spooky, all this vast area completely empty. But today, we're going to go fly with my buddy Brad back there to Memphis International. One of the rare chances I'm using my plane for business for a change. So, should be fun. It is about 6 a.m. I'm going to fire up the airplane and get going.
Athens McMinn County Airport. Automated weather observation 110. Niner Zulu. Wind variable at 5 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 2000. Temperature 7 Celsius. Dew point -2 Celsius. Altimeter 3010. Inches of mercury.
I love that sight right there. Morning from the flight deck, guys. We are actually pretty close to Memphis. We're about 80 miles out. Got my buddy Brad with me, who is also a pilot and a dentist and has twins. Yeah, we're pretty much the same person. You know that, right? He got his pilot's license 1 week before I did. You remember that?
Fun stuff.
That was fun stuff. It's been slow going this morning. We've had about a 30 to 40 knot headwind for the most part, but as we get close to Memphis, it's kind of dying down a little bit. It's in the teens now, maybe a 17, 18 knot headwind. So we are going to Continuing Education Conference, and we're going to land at Memphis International, so this will be my second Class B airport to land at.
I feel special to land in Bravo space with you.
Big deal. It's not a big deal, actually. Like, you think it's a big deal because there is a lot of communication as you're coming in, but then when they clear you to land, you're like, oh wait, this is just like anything else. It's kind of anticlimactic to land.
Yeah.
Like, okay, well, it's just like anything else. I guess I better concentrate on the landing.
All right.
What does TR stand for?
Test review.
I always thought it was test results or those test review.
Test review.
Okay, so for those watching that didn't go to dental school, TR, Tango Romeo, is a time-honored tradition amongst dental students, and I'm guessing med students and all that, where previous years of students will pass down the test questions that they have, and then you review the test that way. Instructors will get so mad at that, but it's on them to make new tests. Oh, Dr. Lewis, did you ever have him?
Yeah.
It was verbatim. His class averages would be 98. They're like, dude, your entire test was the same thing last year's class took.
Oh man, that would have been nice.
We used to get like CDs of, like, you pop in the computer and it was everything scanned. Just, some people had like the actual physical copy of the test. I don't know how that came.
Wow.
Where that came from. And you don't ask, you just accept the TR and
Yep.
move on with your life.
First Charlie Hotel, descend and maintain 6,000, Memphis altimeter 3034.
Descend, maintain 6,000, 732 Charlie Hotel.
Can you set it to descend like at 100 feet a minute or?
No.
Really?
You push this button until you get in the general vicinity of what you want to do.
2 Charlie Hotel, turn left heading 250, descend to maintain 4000.
Left 250 down to 4000, 732 Charlie Hotel.
For 2 Charlie Hotel, if you want a 5-mile base for 36 right, I can give you direct McGee, and then you can just navigate the McGee reference to wind.
We'll take direct McGee, that's fine.
Sure, 2 Charlie Hotel, roger. Proceed direct McGee. That should just allow you to correct for the wind. Let me know if you need anything else. Insurance 2 Charlie Hotel, descend at pilot's discretion, maintain 3000.
Pilot's discretion down to 3000, 2 Charlie Hotel.
So clear visual approach, runway 36 right, contact Memphis Tower 119.7.
Clear visual approach 36 right over to Tower 119.7. Have a good one. Memphis Tower, Centurion 732, Charlie Hotel, visual approach 36 right.
Centurion 732 Charlie Hotel, Memphis Tower, wind 33016, gust 20, runway 36 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 36 right, 732 Charlie Hotel. That was significantly easier than Atlanta.
Really?
Yeah.
Low altitude alert, November 2 Charlie Hotel, check your altitude, Memphis altimeter 3040.
3040, 2 Charlie Hotel. Seriously?
What?
Low altitude?
Not showing down there on your glide slope. Or VASI lights or whatever.
Yeah. Hi.
Non-8350, traffic at your 1 o'clock is a VFR helicopter 1200 northbound. Currently, your
Nice landing.
10 o'clock 4 miles is an
bumpy.
ATR, currently 3,000 feet descent.
Weird.
November 2 Charlie Hotel, turn right at Papa, join Yankee, contact ground point 9er.
Right at Papa Join Yankee, ground point 9er, 2 Charlie Hotel. Ground point 9er. Memphis Ground, Centurion 732 Charlie Hotel will be exiting 36 right at Papa to Yankee over to Wilson Air.
November 732 Charlie Hotel, roger. Taxi via Papa Yankee to Wilson Air.
Papa Yankee, 2 Charlie Hotel. Alright. Well, all things considered, not a terrible landing.
I thought it was pretty good.
I mean, that windsock is pegged. So weird that they were saying
Sky was 3878 Memphis ground, pushback approved.
We were
Expect
low.
Runway 36 left.
when the VASI lights, we were pegged at 4 whites.
Yeah, we weren't low. They were just picking up that were probably off of your altimeter reading that was maybe your transponder shows a lower reading than you actually are, which honestly, I mean, that keeps you safer. I'd
Yeah.
rather one show I was lower than... Sometimes they do that too.
If you were doing an ILS approach, that'd scare the crap out of me. Because I'd be like, my instruments aren't telling me what you guys are seeing.
Yeah.
Ooh, UPS at the home of FedEx. That's a bold play.
Put on my blue suede shoes and I boarded the plane. Touchdown in the land of the Delta Blues, in the middle of the pouring rain. WC Handy, won't you look down over me? Yeah, I got a first class ticket, but I'm as blue as a boy can be. Then I'm walking in Memphis, just walking with my feet 10 feet off a beam. Walking in Memphis, but do I really feel the way I
Alright, so honestly that was a pretty anticlimactic approach into a Class Bravo airport. I literally got one fix and turn, but We arrived at the guest house at Graceland, pretty nice place. Too bad you can't smell on video because this place reeks of cigarette smoke. That's my initial review. Anyway, time to go to dental meetings. I'm not gonna lie, those are not that exciting, but should be able to survive. I got a fully charged phone and games on said phone, so should be a lot of fun there. Anyway, a couple of days doing this, and back to East Tennessee tomorrow.
I was walking with my feet 10 feet off a beam, walking in Memphis. But do I really feel the way I feel? They've got catfish on the table. They've got gospel in the air. And Reverend Green, be glad to see you when you haven't got a prayer. But boy, you got a prayer in Memphis. Now Muriel plays piano every Friday at the Hollywood, and they brought me down